Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for raw crypto news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode 449 is the last stream of the year 2020. It's a great stream. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to be here tonight on an awesome Thursday night. I hope you're all having a great time, and thank you for joining me tonight for this awesome stream. Like I said, this is going to be a technicals analysis. I'm not sure how quick it's going to be. It's going to depend on y'all guys, but thank you for being here, like I said. And on that note, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're the one to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Link is in the description, so is linked to the articles that we cover here whenever we cover articles, and so is a link to our Twitter. You can also engage with me there in case you want to. On that note, I'm not sure who's watching, but thank you for being here. Yeah, let's get the stream rolling. There we are, man. Need to do something real quick. Again, thank you for being here, man. Appreciate y'all and your support. Cheers to a happy end of 2020. Hope you guys had good trades, made good dough. Enjoy the stream, enjoy chilling out, hanging out, and like genuinely doing this. And like I said, cheers. I'll catch you in a little bit. I'm still here though, right? And the stream is just starting, so in case you're just joining me and you want to look at something, let me know. I haven't looked at anything yet. We haven't done anything yet. Bitcoin's still trying to pump. We didn't get the magical $30,000 Bitcoin, right? But we're still figuring out what we're gonna do, right? So bear with me for a second. I'm doing something here real quick. Photoshop's going weird. There we go. Hey, Steve, how's it going, man? Are we live? Yeah, I'm live, dude. I'm live and kicking. How's it going for you, man? How are things on your end? Doing something here real quick, man, because I had a little mess up prior to the beginning of the stream, so trying to sort it out real quick. But thank you guys for being here. Thank you for joining me for this live stream. Steve's lurking, I guess. So Yes, we are very, very much alive. And kicking. Almost there. Yeah, I know I'm taking a little bit longer than usual to run through the stream. Bear with me for a second, guys. Almost there. It's almost there. Struggling with something here because I did something in Photoshop and it didn't save prior to stream starting, so I need to edit something really, really quick. Steve says, "Be right back." Thanks, Steve. Well, it's my birthday and I have consumed 8 tall cans, 1 bottle of red, and a couple cream liquors. That's awesome, Steve. Thank you. Happy birthday, bro. Yeah, I didn't know if it was today, but that's amazing, dude. It's so cool. Happy birthday. I hope you're having a great one. Hey, Soka, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. JK, don't be trading tonight, Steve. Yeah, I agree. Don't be trading tonight, Steve. "31st snuck it there." What do you mean 31st? What? Your birthday's almost over, Steve. We still have an hour and change to go. Which means we gotta start doing some crypto stuff. Happy birthday, by the way. I already said it, but hey, cool, man. What's happening with market cap? We're at the old 1618. We've moved slightly higher. We're pushing back down. We're hitting that 770.65. We're sitting right now at $768.29 billion, right? It's so cool. We still have the bearish divergence. Still there. It hasn't left us, you know. Still alive and kicking. 927. Oh, we no longer have it here. What? We undid that. We managed to go higher. That's good. We also don't have it against RSI. So there's nothing bearish right now. That's good, man. That means we can keep on running and going higher. We're bought at 77.13. And on that note, let's go and check out Bitcoin. Where's it at? Bitcoin dominance at 71.06. Steve says, "Yeah, I'm not trading, nervous about the price action." Well, Bitcoin dominance dropped a little bit yesterday, 0.21%. Today gaining 0.12%. Again, it's in 1.06. Where is Bitcoin futures at? 29,385. What? Yes, because the market's already closed. Where are we at with the price? Well, we're sitting very close to that area, 29,364.38. Yesterday I managed to pump a little bit, 0.28%. Today gaining 1.33%, which again is extremely, extremely good for Bitcoin. Everyone's worried that we're going to crash. We're still making higher places, higher highs, right? So it's good for Bitcoin. Again, higher, possibly more positive. High on the other side to a higher point. Nothing bearish. Overbought. It's 83.03, dude. Let's go to the 4 hour. I wish we would have gotten that magical $30,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2020. It would have been amazing. Kind of sucks that we didn't get it. Cheers, Steve. I'm also drinking on your behalf. I wasn't sure if you were gonna make it because I know you wrote that it was your birthday, so I wasn't sure if you were gonna be like able to be here. But thanks for being here, man. Much appreciate that. So we had bearish divergence on Bitcoin. We already moved down slightly. Right, we even wicked 28,000, taking us a small pump. But that's fine, again. Still coming in slightly higher. Let's get this back on the yellow track. The 4 hour. What am I seeing here, right? Well, we're still coming in lower, and we're also lower on the RSI. So we have bearish divergence, strong for potential action to the downside still. Let's move. Very likely get us to a 20. That 20 is sitting at 28,163. It's not a huge move to downside, but that would be the target right now. Do we have something here? Maybe we do. Let's see. Alt H. See, here it was resistance, right? Then it kind kind of held the support, right? But not quite. So I'm not sure if 20,356 will hold as a valid support yet. We gotta test it, like, spot on, right? And we haven't done that, but it's about $1,000 from where we're at. So, you know, it's a cool 1,000. Nothing that Bitcoin cannot do. Let's check out the 1 hour chart. Where are we at with Bitcoin on the 1 hour, man? 30K is the new 10K. Yeah, it could be, right? We're like here, right? Or here. What do we do? What do we do with Bitcoin, man? It managed to go slightly higher, right? So high, higher. Right, then high to low. And high to low, right? So, and then, so we moved down in that, right? On the bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence. Then we created this hidden bullish, and we created it at the new support that we're looking out for, right? We're trying to gauge whether or not this is going to be valid support. Guess what? This is almost there. It's slightly higher. There we go. Look, I have it spot on here, almost hitting here spot on. It's extremely well, right? It looks like 28,377 might be a valid support. Boomer, how's it going, dude? Thanks for being here. Bob Farther, do you think Crow will pop up? I'm not sure, dude. We haven't looked at Crow. We'll have to check it out. You know, I don't have all the projects on my head, but we'll check it out for sure, man. I'm not going to be able to take a lot of requests tonight. It's going to be a sort of quick and sweet stream. It's basically me coming in. Thank you guys for being with me for this year. And I hope that you still accompany me in the journey on growing this channel throughout next year. And I'm going to do some technicals, right? I'm not going to go too heavy into a lot of stuff, so I'll just take that. I know Steve's going to request ADA. And it's his birthday, so he's going to get first shot. And then we'll do Crow. And Boomer just woke up from a nap, exhausted from trading DOT all day. Boomer just woke up from a nap because he's a boomer. So he went to sleep and now he woke up. Don't lie, Boomer. We know why you went to sleep. 88 dead, bro. I'm loaded and here. That's awesome. Thanks for being here, guys. Again, bullish divergence out of support hidden. Taking that pump. Now, here we come from positive to negative, right? Now, what I don't like is that we're really anchoring to a new positive momentum, which is what we're doing when we come up to this level, right? So we're coming from positive to less positive. And a high point on the other side to a lower point, right? Again, we're in a super bull market, right? So so we can keep on pumping, right? And the divergence really not carrying much for a strong move down, right? So they has a lesser chance of playing out. That's what we've been noticing. The bearish divergence, at least. So we're moving down slightly. We're sitting neutral at 59.66, and again, making that positive momentum. I really wish that tomorrow we get a 30K, and then we could start moving probably somewhere else from there, right? But 30K would be a very, very nice target for Bitcoin. Let's play something else here, man. Steve, do you think it's a good time to get some ADA? Dude, Bob, Steve always thinks it's a good time to get ADA. Nav, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here. Thank you for Bitcoin. Let's go check out Ethereum. Again, guys, I told you it was going to be a super weird stream today, right? I didn't know what time was going to be here. Fortunately, I was able to hear more or less, like about an hour after we usually start. So I'm happy about that. Bearish divergence, right? Moving down slightly, that's fine. Again, still holding on support at 733.82. So that's nice. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, move down. Fund support at the 20 and 733.82. Don't have anything else building. At least not that I can see. Low, higher, negative, more negative. Negative, less negative, longer, so to a higher point. Bought at 60.31. Not a lot happening, right? With Ethereum. Yeah, I'm under 700 Satoshis a bit, so yeah. So Ethereum, what's it doing, dude? High, low, low, high, right? There's a small island here that I'm going to have to acknowledge. This is the only thing that makes sense right now. That we have this hidden bearish, and it's what's getting us to stall and potentially move down. We don't have it against the RSI. Do we have something bullish? Low, high, low, more negative. Right, cool. Some hidden bullish to happen here, right? Low, higher, low, negative, more negative, right? We also have it here against the RSI. And that node, we're taking that action to the upside, right? Created the hidden bearish. Trying to get us to stall a little bit. Let's see how that keeps on playing out. But yeah, it's not looking too bad right now for Ethereum. It has to be pullback for Bitcoin at some point, right? Or what? Will Bitcoin crash hard if it does not? Well, it has to get pullback, dude. That's part of the crash, right? The pullback that we're going to get. That's it for Ethereum. I forgot to look at Bitcoin on the monthly. Because we just finished a month for Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin on the monthly. Look at this beautiful candle for December. Let's go to a cleaner chart. This chart be clean. Look at that massive 47% pump, dude, right? It was a beautiful green candle. Starting on January with a nice green candle right now. Not super big, but nice and green nonetheless. And we also closed the year, right? I cannot see the year here for some reason. The most I can see is the month. But we can look at a year more or less. 1, 2, the period, right? Look at the period, dude. We started here. And for the year, Bitcoin gained a mighty 312%. Ain't that good? You could have bought Bitcoin on January 2020 at around 7,000, and you would be making 3.12 times your dough. That'd be awesome, right? Well, that's a could-have, right? Now, where are we at? We're starting a new year, and we're going higher than the previous all-time high. We don't have a lot of data on the yearly or the monthly. All we know is that we're going higher. And guess what we're doing? Guess what we're doing, dude? If you already know that if I'm drawing stuff on the top, I'm definitely going to be calling bearishness. It's starting to develop, right? Look at this. We're really high here on the RSI. Now we're coming much higher, but we're much lower. That means we have less relative strength. That we're coming higher. So we have some bearish divergence there, right? Strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. That's it for Bitcoin on the monthly. Bob Mo, how's it going, dude? Yo, how's it going, dude? Bob says, yeah, the pullback. Yeah, we already talked about that. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Yeah, I know. Boomer, everyone expects on at Bob. Yeah. What's happening? Not a lot, dude. Just came in to do a end of year stream. Happy New Year, bro. It's not New Year's for me yet, so the countdown is my New Year's time. But for some of you, it's going to be New Year's in like a couple minutes. So, yeah, I came over earlier. That Aave is booming. Sure, we'll look at Aave. That's 3 requests. That's DVT, and then we'll do RSR. So that's going to be it, guys. That's going to be the queue. 88, Crow, Aave, DVT, and RSR. By that time, it'll be midnight for some of you. So it'll be a Happy New Year's for some of you. And I am going to basically be calling it a stream after we do RSR. Because I got to be with the wife, right? It's also part of family time New Year's. So I just came in here to chill for a little bit before I actually leave. Let's go check out XRP. I thank you all for being here and joining me. XRP pumping a little bit today. 9%. Not too bad, right? 24.0. 23.90 cents. Again, we had the bullish divergence. We're waiting for that pop to happen again. Starting to move up slightly. Still sold at 33.63. Not a lot going on since, right? High, higher, possible, positive, high on the other side to a higher point. High, low, possible, less positive, high, low, right? So not a lot going on here. Let me double check. 49.43. 49.88. It's definitely slightly higher. Wow. We are creating some hidden bearish. And remember, like I said, right, for XRP, it's not the best time right now. I'm not going to buy this as a potential, let's get rich pump. There is hidden bearish right now, and I'll acknowledge that for what it is. Steve says he's calling for, so not him. There's guys calling for an under $30,000 crash. And then Steve says, I think we hit 31, 32, then boom. But when it falls to, who knows? 20K would be a good target, right? What are we doing with XRP, dude? It's starting to pump on New Year's. Today, it's 5% pump, dude. Already on this 1 hour candle. Ain't that crazy? We had this triangle pattern that we were looking for yesterday. We could have extended this, right? We could have extended this. Going here, and then we could have gone like that. Maybe if we use the wicks. Which, if you remember yesterday, I was debating whether or not to use the wicks for this. But, you know, I could use the wicks. It works. Somewhat. There we go, right? And we're breaking out of that pattern, right? To the upside. So, yeah. Again, symmetrical triangles can go either way. It's breaking to the upside. It's fine. Finding resistance at 23.88, and we have immediate resistance again at 24.62. And we're overbought, right? Not looking too hot for XRP, right? Look higher. All right, look at this. Higher. And we're coming from positive to less positive, right? We don't have it against the RSI where we're bought at 72.28. We're definitely creating some strong bearish divergence, and that could bring potential action to the downside. There's no need for XRP, right? Again, there's really not a lot of stuff happening with crypto today. Although, you know, some coins, wow, Litecoin seem to have gotten a massive pump. Gaining 6.09%. You know, we had the bearish divergence move down, taking a pump, but still within this range, right? We have not really been able to move far away from this range. That's it. We had bearish divergence. Bought at 66.08. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, move down since, taking a small pop. We're creating some strong bullish, that's why, right? Low. Slightly lower low. Negative, less negative, right? We don't have it against RSI neutral, 58.29. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, bullish divergence hidden. We took a small pop, it dropped. Low, lower, right? Low, low. Negative, less negative. We got above the 20, so we didn't reject it. We tried to hold on to it, but we were just too weak. Negative, less negative, right? And on the other side, we don't have it. We're definitely coming slightly lower, but we have that strong bullish divergence against the MACD. And, you know, part of the reason that we're taking this mighty pop. Higher, positive, more positive. High on the other side to a higher point. Everything's good. We're just bought at 66.03. Jake is here, man. I just got my last 0.2 Litecoin from mining on Litecoin pool today. Now I'm doing just nice hash for Bitcoin. Thank you for being here, Jake. I thought you were all going to be out drinking and, you know, getting wasted and hammer and say, woo, New Year, you know. But instead you're all here with me chilling, which is pretty cool. And we're trying to flag here on Litecoin, right? So we haven't really made a pattern that we're going to follow. We're just, again, like I said, flagging. Let's go check out Binance. Binance, there we go. We were looking for bearish divergence. We still have it. Bought at 66.10. So again, potential action to the downside. Again, just flagging sideways, just like Litecoin. Oh, I'm still getting Litecoin. Why is it here, man? I already clicked Binance. There we go. There we are. Binance. Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. We're going higher on the first one. Nope. Here we're still coming in slightly lower. Right here we no longer have it. So let's go from here. Right. So we had bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI to here. And then we created the bearish divergence right now only against the RSI. And with that, we're getting that movement to the downside, right? Which, again, looks like we're starting to flag after that pump. I don't like the Tether chart because he has very large wicks to either side, but it's really good. Oh, sweat. Yeah, Jake doesn't drink. He smokes. And then Steve says he's missing out on the beer. That's cool, though. I mean, that means that if we ever go out drinking with Jake, he can smoke, and then that just means there's going to be more beers for us. Hey, Alan, how's it going, dude? Happy New Year. Again, potential moving down. Bought at 66.48. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour chart, right? Had bearish divergence. We're moving down on that. Move down, hit the 20, break and below it, trying to get above it again. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, unders side to a hard point. Yeah, nothing bullish right now. Just neutral at 58.64. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And then Victor's here. Less beers. Now I'm here. Yeah, dude. Hey, Victor, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Everyone came in, man. That's so nice for everyone, for all of you to come in for this stream. What do we had? We had this hidden bullish. We took a small pop, right? I'm trying to look. I think we might have some divergence here. 5, 8, 6, 5, 9. Right, here it is. There's some bearish divergence here. It's just like, you gotta like really look at the numbers for it though. It's not like it won't pop up easily, right? And then we're going here. It's 58.61, all the way to up here to 59.10. So we have that hidden bearish. Moves this down again. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, and there set to a lower point. So nothing bullish here. Take a small pop. Failed to go higher in the previous high, and still creating hidden bearish, but now against the MACD, right? And the RSI's cool. The RSI's fine. No, we also have it against the RSI. Went higher. There we go, right? Sitting bought at 60.58, so there could be a moving down coming in for Binance. And to that, we're looking to get a hit at the 20, being at 37.45. What's up, Boomer? What do you want to do with the Uniswap? Why? What do you want to have multiple transactions? All right. Just want to trade it. Yeah, why don't you get it on your phone and then get in, or like at least have 2 browsers? That kind of works. You have 2 different accounts. Open up multiple sessions on your desktop. That's it for Binance. Let's check out ADA for Steve, dude. For the birthday man. 88 to the dollar. What's it doing, man? Bearish divergence moved down again, finding support at 17.67. We already worked it today. Starting to move up slightly. 0.84%. We don't have anything else developing here besides a hidden bearish. And we're bought at 61.19. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour, higher, positive, more positive, high on there, set to a hard point, right? Nothing bearish, moving down. Oh, high, negative, less, negative, low, there, set to a hard point. Nothing bullish. No, but have different wallets, wallets on each browser. For me, for example, I have Brave and I have Chrome. And just because I loaded my wallet on Brave does not mean I have to load it on Chrome. Right, on Chrome I can load a secondary wallet, and I'll have 2 wallets to work with. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Sorry about that. I had to sneeze. Oh Lord. Negative, less negative, low on there, set to hard point, right? Strong bullish divergence happening on Cardano, dude. On the 1 hour Cardano, right? So we're taking that pop. We're failing to go higher. Are we creating something high, low? 484. Positive, less positive, high, there's a lower point. We don't have anything bearish. So it could be that we just come back to 20, test support, and take a pop, right? Because we don't have any reason for this to not keep on going up, but there's nothing bearish. Right now we have some strong bullish divergence that we could be running with. You know, it's probably part of consolidating this level, right? And that's something that we talked about yesterday, consolidating this area. This is for ADA, dude. Steve, there's really not a lot happening with ADA, right? I mean, it popped from 14 to 17, and now it's sitting sideways. At 18.36. So Sorry guys, I'll be right back. I need to like get like Kleenex or something. My nose starting to like kill me. Here where I'm back, dude. No, I don't have that shit. I think there's like allergies or something. Alright, let's keep on going, dude. That's it for Canino. Let's go check out Crow. Someone requested Crow. We've looked at Crow before. Just need to find it. Why do I have no Crow open? Here we go. Which was the one that we look at? Is it this one or this one? Right, this one. Crow on the daily. We had the bullshit version, took that pop, fell to go higher. 35.88. 35.44, slightly lower also. So nothing bullish, just bouncing below the 20. Not looking super hot right now for Crow. At least not on the daily. Neutral 42.84. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, so we're gonna go slightly high to lower. So low, lower, low, right? And then negative momentum to less negative momentum. And then a low point on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. It has some strong bullish divergence on the 4 hour, which is causing it to get this small pump happening here. But again, not super powerful, right? 4% in the last 16 hours or so. Yeah, for real, dude. Like, my nose been like crazy today. Anyways, dude, that's it. Nothing bearish right now. Alright, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour. Right. High to low. Right. Check this out. Low to high. And high to low. We don't have it against our side. Just things that might be some hidden bearish, which could start to put some pressure on the price to maybe start to go down a little bit. A lower negative, more negative, low there, so lower point. Look, this is still green and it's down here. Why is it green and it's still down here? We're probably a fraction of a cent higher from where we opened, right? Right, it looks weird. But that's it for Crow, dude. Again, there's really not a lot going on for this right now, right? I was deep cleaning my house today. I feel that. Yeah. You always deep clean your house prior to like New Year's. Let's go check out Ave, dude. There's really not a lot going on with Crow. Ave Tether, man. Steve saying I had to spend time with the wife. I know, dude. It's New Year's. You gotta go spend time with the family, man. I agree with you. Dang, yeah, no worries, Bob. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. A little high, right? Avis, someone says pumping. Yeah, I did take a massive 9.23% pump today. Moving down right now, though, 77%. 0.77%. Positive, negative, right? High, low, positive, negative, high, low. Nothing here. Neutral at 56.69. We had this hidden bullish trying to take a rally on that, right? Have a good one. You too, man, Steve. 33,000 tomorrow, hopefully. Let's go check out Ave on the 4-hour. There we go, man. Low to high. High to low, bearish divergence. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. Strong bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. Starting to get down. See how we go there on the 1 hour, because that's the only thing we have right now going on, right? If we move down, target would be the 20. Moving average at 82.20. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Victor's saying, I'm down with 33K. Everyone's down with 33K, man. Everyone will be partying like it was 1999. For the next 30 minutes, we will party like it was on sale for 1999. Wasn't that from like a Simpsons episode? Where Apu from the Quickie Mart like says that. Low, high, high, positive is positive, high on the RSI, lower point, right? So high, higher, high. We have strong bearish divergence, potential action downside, move down slightly, try to take a bounce, but failed to go higher than the previous high, or about the same high. Right, slightly lower than the previous high. And if you want to say it's sideways motion, we could say, okay, cool, we're moving sideways, right? What does that mean? Well, that just means that we're creating some medium bearish divergence now, right? We had strong bearish, now we have medium. There's a chance we could move down. Target again on the 1 hour for Avi would be the 20 being at 85.95. Once we get there, we'll figure out what we want to do. There's a chance we could try to bounce from the 20. We could, break below it and then use it as resistance and break down. Again, it still has to be determined. And again, a lot of these projects are going to follow Bitcoin and whatever Bitcoin wants to do. Let's go check out DVT, man. How did DVT do? 2 sats. Great Scott. Did it take some pumps yesterday? Yeah, look at this, dude, right? Look at today also. Right, today hitting like 22. 2.2 sats. I don't want the RSI symbol, I want the RSI. Right on. So, let's check this out then. Nothing here that is bearish. Some hidden bullish, we could say here. Right, low. High, right, or low, high, low, and then low, lower, low, right against the RSI. So there's that hidden bearish for potential action to the outside, the upside. Let's go to the 4 hour. Sideways, right again. Look at this sideways motion here. Go from negative, lies negative, and then on the RSI we don't have it, but we have that medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We took that small pop and we're just holding at 20 sats strong. On that note, let's go check out the daily. What's the daily doing, man? Again, on daily we don't have a lot developing yet. We still have this hidden bearish, which again had us stalling for a little bit here. Right, and it could be that we try to get another pump happening on DVT for next year, which would be really, really good. But again, closing at 2 sats is not bad for DVT, man. It's really, really good. I like it. So, at least it's not 1 sat, right? Let's go to RSR and see how that's doing, man. Boomer, if you're still in RSR, please leave that project so that it may pump and thrive. Let's go check out RSR, man. Where's our? Sorry, here we go, man. Lower negative, less negative, low there. Right, on the RSR on the daily, right? We had the bullish divergence strong. We're taking that pop at 2.16 cents. We did get to a high of 2.24. It's not too bad for RSR, right? Hello, native morning. You're right. We're starting to create some hidden bearish. High, lower, high. And leave this right. Low, high. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. We have this hidden bearish divergence. Neutral 58.22. Chance we might start stalling and push back down. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, we had the bearish divergence. We moved down on that, hit that 20, taking a pop. That's fine. Now we are definitely coming on higher than we were before, right? So let's track this one with a new one. Again, under regular circumstances, and just so we know, for clarity, the only reason I leave this here is because he played it down so like we were calling. I wouldn't usually leave it there because it just has a lot of data on the chart, right? What I would do if I was doing this live, I'll say, okay, this is already played out. I'll just move that onto there, then move that onto there, and we'll still have that divergence fraction to the downside, right? But as you can see what we're looking at. We had bearish divergence here played out. We still have strong bearish divergence developing now. Chance we might move down on that. And we have it here 62, 86, 65, 64. So low, slightly higher. We don't have it again. And this can keep on building, right? Again, to there we will still have it. So just be mindful of that. On that note, let's go to the 1-hour chart. Higher, positive. 1, 3, 4. Slightly higher also, and also higher on the RSI. So we don't have anything bearish on the 1 hour, right? So we could keep on pumping on the 1 hour chart. Get to this 618 up here at 2.27 cents. See where we go from there. That'll seem like a good target for RSR. If you guys haven't done it, and we have a lot of people watching, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? It'll be the last like and the last sub that you would hit on this channel for this year. You can do it again next year, at least hitting the like. But right now, it's all good. What else do you guys want to do? I have time for one more thing, and then that is it, guys. But Mo, missing this whole session, hang out with the fun. Dude, that I know, that's fine, Bob. No worries. The whole point of this was for me to come in real quick, have a quick chat about crypto, and it's not a big deal. I'll still be here tomorrow, man. Family's first, and the only reason I'm doing this here is I wanted to come in and say happy New Year's to you guys. Thank you for the support, and we'll be here tomorrow again. No worries, man. I'm about to go off the air, Bob. I really appreciate you being here, man. And Steve for showing up, and Victor, and Bob Farther, and Soka, and Jake, and Alan Bloomfield, and JK, and Nav. Who else came in? I think I got everyone. If I missed someone, I'm sorry. Boomer's here also. Or was here also, I'm not sure. But guys, that's going to be it for tonight, for reals. I know we didn't, I was not able to be live here. I do have family. I'm not going to be able to be live whenever that little timer there goes to 0. Right? But that's why this whole like thing here with the 2020, 2021, and then down there in the chat that says 2021 as well. It's all to celebrate. Bob saying, well, health and prosperity to you, brother. Yeah, you too, man. You know, I hope that next year brings a lot of good trading opportunities, and that you all still come here and find entertainment and value on the channel, you know, and keep on joining me for the live streams. JK, thank you, everyone. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's to you too, man. Cheers to 2021. Yeah, dude, cheers to 2021. Cheers, guys. Again, it's awesome being here. I love to hang out with you guys tonight for the last stream of the year. It was a lot of fun. I've already been doing this for about a year and change now, a year and 4 months, so it's a lot of fun. And I really want to keep on doing this for a lot longer. Let's see if we can go on to 2 years and maybe more. Like I said, thank you guys for being here. Victor Miller, Happy New Year's, man. May we all be blessed. Yes, I agree with you. May we all be blessed. That's going to be it for tonight, guys. Again, let's just check out Bitcoin real quick, see how it's doing. Let's close on that note. The happy $29,200 Bitcoin right now. And see how it's going down on the bearish divergence and likely to the 20, which is a target that we called. Again, consolidating at this level. Nothing too crazy, but it could be good. Happy New Year's, Boomer. Guys, that's going to be it for tonight. It was a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for one last stream of 2020. I appreciate you all for the support that you bring to this channel, for your patronage with your time, for your patronage with tips whenever when you guys are have some spare cash and toss us tips. They're always welcome. I thank you all again for being awesome supporters. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Like I said, if you find the content that we provide here to be of value, hope you can recommend it to friends, family, and co-workers, or whoever might be interested in crypto. You can point them out in our direction. That's going to be it for tonight. That's going to be it for 2020. I'll catch you again on 2021. I'll see you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then, have an awesome night, guys. Have an awesome New Year's. Spend it with your families if you can. If you can't, spend it with your friends. Spend it with a loved one. And if you can't, and you're all alone, at least crack open a beer and celebrate that, a hell of a year went our way, because 2020, while it provided a lot of opportunities to a lot of people in crypto, going higher, a lot of people did suffer. So it's not been the best year for a lot of people and a lot of businesses and a lot of countries. So if you're blessed to have a good 2020, spread good cheer, even if you're by yourself, have a good time, that you're alive and kicking, and that you're going to be here for another year probably to still make a change in the world. Thank you all for being here. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.